of Information and Broadcasting, New Delhi. Mr. Kuleshwar Sonkar is present with us with his team. Mr. Sonkar has not been able to join, but we have Mr. Santosh Kumar Luhar is present with us to receive the award. Congratulations, may I request you to kindly accept this award. This is the Skill Development Programs Institute Award. Congratulations to all of you, and may I request you to say again a few words on, as we are talking about, you've been given the award under the skill development. Again, as we talk about a huge gap, I shared with you certain facts and figures, if you can throw some light.
Just a few minutes back, I was just referring to the statement that our First Lady has been communicating that there is a huge demand of skill training. And China is having something around 30,000 or 1 lakh skills vocational training programs. I happen to be a part of Ministry of Labour and Employment. I am board member in the NCVT, National Council for Vocational Training, and I have been contributing for last 9 months on revamping the ITI courses. And the challenges that we have been facing from the infrastructure level, that is, once again revoking the things and revoking the governments to reinvest more money in terms of building the infrastructure on the ITI level. Once we go ahead and invest, there are programs like Clean Ganga missions or Swachhata missions and all those things. We also have to rethink on investing more money in terms of the vocational trainings infrastructure, and the ITI infrastructure has to be broadened. And they are facing a lot of challenges, and I happen to be a part of this vocational training, skill training development. We closely work with the NSDC, National Skill Development Corporations, and we have been seeing a lot of initiative has been taken from the Finance Ministry in terms of motivating the youths for joining a different skill training programs where the monetary benefits are being extended. So we look forward that as a Council of Information Broadcasting, which happens to be a biggest media network as of now, we have got something around 4,000 plus all media members who are working on the ground level, integrating the youth with the media, and integrating the media as a fourth pillar of democracy with the grassroots level, so that the information has been broadcasted and information has been transferred from the state and central level to the grassroots level, and facilitating them so that the proper, the central government and state level programs are being, what are the benefits and all those things being communicated properly, and they join with us and grow together. So in this situation, I would like to thank once again the 24 MRC teams and to all the winners over here. And
thank you so much. Really appreciate the work which you are doing, and all the best to all of you. May you continue with your work, and we are able to have a skilled India. Thank you. And the next award, ladies and gentlemen, this is a